No, but these media people need to be stopped, hey? These media people need to be stopped. Ungafuna kanjani interview kumuntu osanda kushonelwa ingane? Lo muntu osanda kushonelwa ingane ubona isidumbu sengane yakhe laphayana. Wena ume nge-microphone usebenzela uNews 24 noma usebenzela uSABC News ufuna i-interview, ufuna i-statement, ufuna ukumbuza ukuthi ufila kanjani. Uyasangana yini ekhanda lakho? No, these media houses they really need to be called to order. Angifuni nokuyikhuluma-ke eyo taxi driver nangendlela abadriver ngayo emgaqweni. Angifuni nokuyikhuluma kushona ingane. Apparently the death toll has risen up to 14 kids now. So 14 ingane eyilahlekelwe impilo yazo zisiya esikolweni zithi ziyofunda because of a reckless taxi driver obefuna uku-overtake imoto eziwu-3. Ngiyakubona-ke lokho, but it's so insensitive. Uzongifuqa nge-microphone uzongibuza ukuthi ngifila kanjani kwenzakaleni ngiqeda ukushonelwa ingane. Thanda kushonelwa ingane lapha ngibona isidumbu sengane uzongibuza leyo nto. Hayi cha no guys. Media houses really, you guys need to do better. Ayikho nje lento. But nje condolences to the families of lezi ngane that lost their lives today. Ibhlungu nje lento, and something really needs to be done with the way that taxi driver drive amatekisi emgaqweni, and something needs to be done about these media houses. Guys, anifundeni ubuntu. Anifundeni nje ubuntu.
Ngwana ko gae kanti botho bokae? We woke up to devastating news of a fatal accident, Escola Transport, which claimed 13 lives of innocent learners. The next thing, Rebona content on social media, videos and pictures showing faces and body conditions, bruised body conditions. Tsa lifeless bodies. Tsa bana ba modimo ba ileng gore ba tlhokafaletse ko accident. Why? Ke batla go tlhaloganya gore it's fine, it's okay to take a video or a picture of the accident. Koloi ke ele ra e bona gore okay e thutse go siame. O bo explain ka caption gore go diragetseng, that's fine. But an extent of taking pictures and videos of lifeless bodies, o bo o tlhagisa le difatlhego tsa bone. Batho ba modimo. Ke utlwile kganye ke sa utlwisise eng kutlwitse botlhoko thata. Imagine a parent o leng gore o tswile ko gae phakela a ya mmerekong a itse ngwana gage a ile sekolong a be a tsena mo social media. Ga a tsena mo social media ha re clacks ke ngwana ke moso ha re clacks accident clacks ngwana o tlhokafetse wa go ikutlwa jang a bona mo social media. And nna ga ke na bothata le gore le post, it's fine, but all that I'm saying ke gore can't we just be sensitive at times? Can't we just know what to post and what not to post? Can't we? But mamodimo ga le re sentle a ko re neng sensitive, a ko re neng le botho, a ko re respecteng batho. Bana ba ba modimo ba tlhokafetse mo accidenteng, batsadi ba bang ba bone, family members, friends, they did not even know gore they were involved in that accident. The next thing lona le tlhagisa difatlhego before ba kreya le pego gore batho. I just want to express how disappointed I am. But I want you to take this from this video. Ke mo lefatsheng fa. Ga ile gore kutlo botlhoko ya motho o mong e tle go nna pati for wena. O itse gore what goes around comes around. O ka se ka re batho ba bang ba utlwile botlhoko. They've lost lives. Wena o bo o bona gore e nne pati for wena mo social media for virtual likes, for engagement, gore fela o be relevant o ye viral wena. A ke o bo o bona gore ke pati for wena. A ke ngwana ko gae, what goes around comes around. O tlhokomele setlogo sa go tshwana le se ka sa go tlhagela ka ntlha gore wena o bone go le botlhokwa, o bone go le matshwanedi gore o poste bana ba batho ba tlhokafetse on your own platform. And mo gore you're not even related to these people, mind you. Kana ke gape ke yone gape e mborang la bofelo wa bona ha na postule ke family member or ke ausi or ke cousin kgotsa ke neighbor, ne ke tla tlhaloganya tlhompang malapa a batho, tlhompang batho segolo bogolo jang batho ba ba tlhokafetseng. Batho ba modimo loso ke something se le gore se sensitive a go le lone re le tlhompeng se le se dirileng ga se sone. Blare out faces, blur out bruised parts of lifeless bodies, respect a muswi. Kanye le dirileng ya gore le poste bana ba le tota ene e sentle at all. Sure.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. So siyathi sonke ukuthi kunengoti lekhulu endekile lapha eNevali yesterday la kushone khona abantwana laba-13 bashayisana ne-truck abaye esikolweni ekuseni bantwana, and people are just reacting to that story man. Bayasho ukuthi hey bo, my interview akhona they were just so crazy. Imagine Mtali uqeda kubona umntwana wakhe ushonile right now. Umntwana ke utholakale akukhaya accident washona ekuseni esikolweni on a Monday. Divula tikolo and wena uyam-interview ufuna um-interview ufuna ubuta ama-questions, how do you feel? Like what? Like just imagine how crazy that sounds. Ukuthi ubude umuntu oqeda kushonelwa umntwana wakhe ukuthi ufila njani. Lo muntu usakhala naleso sikhathi usase in disbeliever, usathukile, usamangele, wena utane makhamera ne-microphone ebusweni bakhe umbuta ukuthi ufila njani. Like really? Like guys, just think about how crazy that is. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi kahle kahle kusho ukuthi labantu be-SABC abekho right la makhanda, because what is that? What do you mean ubuta umuntu oqeda kushonela umntwana wakhe ukuthi ufila njani? So people are just saying ukuthi respect nje for labo bantu labo ayikho like ayikho, cause umuntu umnike space sakhe wena so busy ebusweni bakhe nemakhamera umbuta ukuthi ufila njani. People are just saying ukuthi that was just of ayikho respect kulabantu labo. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.